Hey everyone, welcome to Westanime tutorials that we can learn more about the basics. In this video, let's learn more about simplifying fractions. Fractions are numbers that express how many parts of a whole. Now let's look at one example here. Say we have one circle divided equally into 4 parts, and one of them is shaded orange. The fraction that represented the orange part is 1/4. Now we have the same circle, but it's divided into 8 equal parts, and 2 of them are shaded orange. The fraction that is shaded orange is 2/8. We can also say that 1/4 is equal to 2/8. When two different fractions but have the same value, we call them equivalent fractions. To find the equivalent fractions, we always multiply or divide the numerator and the denominator with the same number. For example, 1/4. If we multiply both the numerator and denominator by 2, we get 2/8. So 1/4 is actually the same as 2/8. Similarly, if you divide 20 over 25 with 5, you get the equivalent fraction of 4/5. Simplifying fraction is to find the equivalent fraction with a lower number. To do that, we always divide the numerator and denominator with the same number. Let's say we want to simplify 14/16. Both 14 and 16 can be divided by 2. So we divide both 14 and 16 by 2. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Which we get our answer is 7/8. Now let's simplify 15 over 21. Both 15 and 21 can be divided by 3. So we divide both 15 and 21 by 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5, and 21 divided by 3 is 7, which get our answer 5/7. Now let's try to simplify 36 over 42. Now 36 and 42 can both divided by 2, which we get 18 over 21. Now look closely, 18 over 21 is not the simplest form. We can divide both of them by 3, which we get 6/7. Or, to make it quicker, we can divide both 36 and 42 by 6, which we get 6/7 straight away. Now let's try to test ourselves. See if we can simplify all the fractions. Remember to simplify the fractions into the simplest form. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share our video, and subscribe for more videos to come.